Well, hello there on this beautiful, what day is this? I think it's Sunday. It's gotta be Sunday. It's church day, right? This is in November. That's what I wanted to say. So we're here at Thrive Church here in Port Orange, Florida. They're actually a satellite church, I believe. Not so much a satellite, but a up-and-coming church, because they're actually inside of a high school. We've been to church like this before. We're gonna go in here and take a look and see what they got set up and see how they run things, because you've just entered the coolest life, church edition. So typically when you go to a church like this, they'll set up different displays, as you can see right here. I really like some of the paintings that they have here as part of the school itself. Those are nice. Big library books, or study books. But this is the main hall here you can walk into. And over here is where you get signed up as newbies, and we're going to the main auditorium here in just a minute. They got a baptismal that they use. It's really small. It's called the Ocean. I like it. Everyone gets a shirt, I have decided. And they got them all posted down here on the wall of all the people they've baptized. So that's pretty cool. Different shirts, different years. That's interesting. I like that, like nice touch. I've never seen baptismal out in the ocean before. Cool pictures. So this is essentially the high school auditorium. Looks like they got the sound system, everything set up in the back. Or a video system. But you're gonna get started about 15 minutes early now, so I'm sure it'll fill in.
And when you came in today, you were given one of these little cups. It's got a little wafer in the top and some juice inside. And if you'll go ahead and open that up for me. Maybe this is your first time with us and you've never received one of these before. Well, it is not snack time. And the word communion is a joint of two words, common union. You've heard Pastor Aaron said that several times. But what is not common is the miracle. And what it does for us is it unites us, one another, but it unites us to Christ.
The ministry to be a general contractor. I entered the ministry not to build buildings, but to build people. And as it turns out, that's exactly what the Rooted Initiative has been doing. This series that we're in, Rooted Results, has been a series of testimonies from folks who themselves made 24-month commitments to the Rooted Initiative and have seen God move in their life as a result of that.
Good offering, usually about $20 a week when we were there, and we were there pretty much most every week. And it took a little bit for us to really get to the point of a true tithe, but it started that process. In my profession, we went through a very slow time of low income, and we continued to be faithful with the tithe, even though maybe we didn't have quite enough to fully cover our expenses. And I feel like he wanted to see, are we going to be faithful when we have extra? Are we going to be also faithful when we don't have enough?
Moment. This is your moment to say, God, I'm coming to you in surrender. And I thank you for your courage. I encourage you with if you prayed that prayer, pull out that Connect card. If you have any prayer requests, pull out that Connect card. We are a praying church. You mark your Connect card that you prayed that prayer, you put some prayer requests down, and I'll tell you how or what we're going to do. Today we are not passing the buckets. We're going to have everyone come forward to the baskets. If you're joining us online and you don't have a Connect card, but you prayed that prayer, text the word SAVED to 386-220-9200. Those of you in the room,
good service. I think we enjoyed ourselves. It was we were welcomed openly, and they were really talking a lot about tithing and giving. And you know, these videos I do have got nothing to do with you switching churches. It's got about more have to do with you maybe inspiring you to attend church regularly, and of course giving and tithing as you go to church. So basically, your tithing should go to where you get your spiritual blessings from, or your guidance and your leadership in your spiritual life. But this church here is in the process of building another facility, probably not far from here in Port Orange. And so if you're ever in town, I'd definitely recommend this church, who were welcomed with open arms. You've got a free t-shirt. So but be sure to like and subscribe, and tell your friends if they're in Port Orange, check out Thrive Church here in Port Orange, Florida. I'm gonna let you go. Be sure to like and subscribe, because we're now getting back to living the coolest life, and this would be the church edition.